Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Sorry, I didn't mean to yell at you. Today we're going to do an unboxing of the Ford Bronco. You know what's interesting is I'm not sure what year this one is. 73 it says on the license plate. On the box art right there. Well, let's see what it says when we get inside. Here's the bottom, just your basic skill level set. Alright, I removed the shrink wrap a while back, but I have not opened it. There we go. I'll set that up for you. Here we have just a body. Let's see here. Go ahead and grab those out and knock everything over again. Okay. Well, that's about as simple as they come, eh? And there's your roof that'll go on there. If it would fit. Yeah, I guess it fits. Looks like you're going to have to put your windshield frame on. Everything. There's the front. Feels pretty good. As always, you want to make sure you give it a good cleaning before you try to paint it. But it doesn't feel too bad. Alright. There's the bottom of the roof section. Got your visors molded in. Bunch of them little dots. You know, there's different ways to deal with that. Personally, it's going to be covered like this. You'll never ever see them. But you can take care of them. Clean them up. Here we have some tires. Nice looking tires. Let's see. Oh, they feel good too. Little stiff, but they feel nice. Got some nice tread on them. No brand name on this side. Nothing on this side. So we got some unbranded wheels. No big deal. But they're pretty nice looking. In fact, you can put them on just about any kit and make them look good. Make it look good. Let's see here. Clear parts. Your windows, side, front glass, headlights, little button lights for the rear, I guess. Oh, probably for here. And maybe there's only 3 of them, unless that's for something else. Alright, leave that in there. And we got one big bag of regular parts. Oops, something fell down there, that's alright. Here we've got the hood. Nice looking hood, I like that. Those are actually, wow, that had to take a few trial and errors to get that to come out properly at the factory. You can see right through them, both sides, with no flash in between. That's slick, guys. Nice job, whoever did this one. This is a Revell kit. Here's your inner panels. Pretty simple, but pretty nice looking. Well done. Your window frame, I'm assuming, for your windshield. Yep, and your what do you call them things? Windshield wipers will go up here. Seat backs. Your pedal assembly right there. That's nice. Big giant plastic wheel that's going to be your spare tire, I guess. This will be the cover that goes over it. Little engine. Oil can. Yeah. Oil pan. Radiator. Drive shaft. Some shock absorbers. Another drive shaft, a couple other shock absorbers, or steering linkage pieces, radiator support, front and rear, your hub assembly for your rear axle, fan belt, radiator shroud, that's nice, I haven't seen that in a while, where it's separate from the actual radiator, some valve covers, some heads, fan belt pulley system there, your water pump, Looks like starter and a real tiny little master cylinder, engine coil, ignition coil, some more steering parts, front and rear of a blower. That's interesting. Okay. And I'm not sure what that little hoop is right there. Alright. Alright, we got the two-piece exhaust system with the little mufflers. Got your frame. And this here I think is the gas tank. Mounted on the side like that. I didn't realize they did that on those little Broncos. And we got the distributor. Something else with a little button on it. Might be a breather. Rear springs. Some front bumpers guards. Maybe. Or it's part to hold the rear end to the springs. It might be that too. Some other little pieces there. Not really sure what that is. Steering gear. That's steering box. That's what that is. Took me a second, sorry. Then we got the rear chassis part. Pretty basic. Not a whole lot of detail there. The dashboard. Seat back. I think this is the back of the tailgate. Yep. It's interesting. It says Ford on it, as does the vehicle. Oh, okay, it is right. This is on the bottom, and I actually thought this was up at the top part, so it wouldn't have matched up, but it does. They know what they're doing. This here looks like I'm not sure. It's either a little park bench or it's a roll cage type thing, or a push bar. Here's a roll cage, steering wheel, steering column. Here's some wheels, standard like steel wheels, intake manifold, and we've got axle, front and rear half of an axle, seats, more seat pieces, mirrors right here, side mirrors, and some either suspension pieces or part of the roll cage also. Little wheel inserts or brake drums, they could be. Could be drum brakes all around on this one. That'd be pretty slick if that's what it is. And we have the chrome parts. Yeah, I lost my scissors. Hold on a second. There we go. Alright. Chrome parts we have. Not a whole lot there. We've got the front grille, which is right there in the box. Mirror, rear view mirror, windshield wipers, side mirror frame, and then side mirror itself. Not really sure where that's at. I'm not seeing it. Unless it's, oh it is, it's a square one, so it's here. I was looking for a round one. There it is right there. That attaches to this piece here, becomes the side mirror like that one. Bumpers. Looks like alternator with a piece of the bracket on it. Some hubs with the front hubs and the standard hubcaps. Lockout hubs, I guess those are for the fronts for your four-wheel drive. And that's that. Kind of simple and basic on the chrome pieces. And then the instructions. Wow, it's a thick one here, guys. Oh, got some decals there. We'll put that away for a sec. Look at your basic instructions here for the Ford Bronco. Some guide painting. Here's your parts layout, which is nice. I like that. Tell you what it is. Well, 2 pages of them, or is this one in? No, yeah, 2 pages. Basic engine building. More engine stuff. The frame. Yeah. Put it all together. 12 steps on just the frame chassis alone. That's kind of nice. Oh, 13. I was wrong. Nice. Put your wheels together. Slap them on that frame. And here's that. Oh, it is. It's a seat. It's not a push bar. There it is. I thought that was a like a park bench seat, but it's actually the rear seat of the vehicle. I forgot about that. Yep. Been a while since I've been in one of these. Yep. Yep. There's some other stuff. Well, there's that hoop thing. I wasn't sure what it was. That's for the spare tire holder. And it swings around. So that upper hole and the lower hole are for the mounts of that. So the lights don't go there and there like I had originally thought. The lights apparently are regular up and down tail lights. Here's your window frame for your front end, for your windshield. Side windows. Putting that on, it'll be nice with the roll cage and all that in there. It'll help to support it, so it'll be easier to mount it, to build it. And you can choose to either glue it on or not. And then some decal placements. Pretty nice. Alright, a lot involved in that one. That's a Revell skill level 5 on that one. There's why it's so involved. And for decals, we have white stripe package. It's a real pretty blue. That's almost petty blue there. A Colorado license plate. Ford in white and black. Some, I think this is for your seats to give it the illusion of having like almost the tweed pattern in your seats. And maybe pieces for the inner door panels, maybe. Not positive on that. Little speedometer thing, some engine detail stickers. Oh, Ford again in red, white, and black. So that's pretty slick, guys. Appreciate you stopping by. That's it for this one. Have yourselves a great day, and like, share, and subscribe, all that good stuff, and spread the word for me, please. I appreciate it. Thank you to all my subscribers. Have yourselves a wonderful day. Talk to you soon.